Hi, this is David Leach from Luton Osteopathic and Sports Injury Clinic. People always ask me how can they build up their tummy muscles without doing stupid exercises? How can they make themselves strong without giving themselves back pain? The fact is there's more muscles in the human body that twist than they do to crunch forwards and backwards. And what we tend to do in our life is we tend to do forwards and backwards. That's what we tend to do. So how's this for an option? You sit at a sofa, a table, a chair, anything at work or at home. You lean back a tiny bit till you feel your tummy muscles to start to tighten up, just a little bit, and then you kayak. You turn and you tap. You turn and you tap. You turn and you tap. You do as many as you can be bothered. As you get stronger, you can lean back further and further and do the same thing. See how I'm not doing Hawaii? I'm turning my body and then I'm turning my body. Try and look where you're going. Nice and slow is good. And if you want to get bigger and strong, try and take your feet off the floor, now known as a Russian twist, and then you try and do the same thing. Nice and slow. I don't care if one foot's on the floor, this is a good way to do it. You can alternate, you can keep the same leg up. That's how you build it up. This goes from post-birth all the way through to if you're 120 years old. Think about it, easy exercises. Do them gently, don't overdo it.